Hello, welcome back guys. So today we are going to install Steam on a laptop. First of all, open a browser, Chrome or Edge, and then search for the Steam. And there you can see the Steam on first, this is their official website. Click on this, and then wait and install, and then install for the Windows. If you are using Windows, there are other options also. And then you can see it is installed. So it was about 4 MB, so there was very small file. So there it is. You open setting now and start the setup and do everything what I'm doing. And you are so intelligent, I know. You are too much intelligent than me. If you are my subscriber, you can do it. And like a second. So yeah, now we will run the Steam. And so the Steam is installed. Now it is installing the other stuffs like updates and everything. So it will take a long time. Because I'm recording in 4K, so it took me a long time. So just wait for it. So that's all.
One eternity later.
So after one eternity, everything is done, and we are now going to open Steam. And yeah, it is opened. Sign in. Yeah. So I'd sign in, and now you can install any game you want. If you have money, I play only free games. So yeah, there's all for crime. Now go and subscribe as quick as you can, and comment down anything you want to install.